What's up, guys? Shoshana here. I am back with another YouTube video. This hair is cute. I just did it yesterday night, but in this camera with this outfit I look old or something. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know, I look like 37, 36, 35, 40, 42. I'm here to tell you 35 different side hustles you can create that can generate you more than $5,000 a month. 35. So if you hate your job and after seeing this video, if you decide to not make a change and not do one of these things and not utilize your skills and stay at your job, that's not my business. Because I'm telling you the tools you need. I can give you the ingredients to make the cake, but I can't make the cake and eat it for you. This is giving me grandma. Hold on. Okay. You know what? We just gonna work with it, okay? We just going to go with it, and we is not going to judge people, because judging is for the Lord and not for y'all. So if y'all got a problem, fight me. Yeah, I said it. Make sure you do, well, first of all, if you guys don't know me, my name is Shoshana. I'm all about business, entrepreneurship, and just living the life you love. So definitely subscribe to my channel if you're into business, if you're into lifestyle, if you're into just making money and financial freedom. Tell your friends to tell their friends, so you can be friends. Let's all be friends. And I want a 6-figure business, and that's why I feel like I might be qualified to tell you guys about this here, what we're about to talk about. Okay, so start the video. This is no particular order, okay? But ways to make money. If you know how to do sew-ins, charge $50, $75, $80 a pop. Do that 4 times a week. That's gonna make you about $960 a week. Multiply that by 4. That's going to make you about $3,040 a month. Something like that. $3,840 a month. Yeah, $3,840 a month. So do that. So sew-ins, boom. Braids, let's say you charge $100 for lemonade braids or $100 for braids. Boom, do 4 of those a week. That's $400 a week. 4 times 4, 12, that's $1,200 a month. You guys, there's so many ways to make money. If you use 2 or 3 skills, then boom, you can make $5,000 like that. Another way, makeup, $50 a pop. Let's say you do 10 a day or 5 a day. Make money, okay? That's another way. Makeup, cutting grass, okay? If you're a male, you're watching this video, cut somebody's doggone grass, pull somebody's weeds up, shovel some snow, okay? Lawn care service altogether makes money. Fertilizer, rocks, dirt, all that type of stuff, do it. People need it. Virtual assisting, you guys. I know a lot of people charge about $500 a pop doing that. Also, you can offer your services on Fiverr, and there's a few other like Upwork places you can go and register to be a virtual assistant, or you can just DM people, email people, but people are always looking for virtual assisting, so that's huge. Check into that. Content writer, okay? People looking for people to write for their websites, for their blogs, and you can charge a killing for that, for blogs and all types of stuff. So that's another thing you can charge. I put on here $500 a month. Same with virtual assisting, I put $500 a month, depending on how many hours a week you're going to give it. IG influencer, people make $10,000 a post. My friend Jayla Lick My Fashion, he makes $5,000 to post with brand deals. For 2 posts, he'll charge $5,000. I charge $500 to post. But I work with people, so if y'all needed me to promote your stuff, let me know, because I negotiate. But yes, IG influencing, huge profit margins for that. YouTube, huge profit margins for that. Let's see, face oils, sell face oils. I said $50 a face oil. Moonlight Cosmetics, they're making a killing. Theirs is like $80 a pop. I have another student of mine, she sells hers for $45 a pop. Like, you can sell face oils, face soaps. People eat that up. Okay, personal training, I said $40 or $50 an hour, $20 an hour. But if you get a group, that's money, okay? And you ain't even got to do nothing but stand there and tell people, 2 more, don't quit, you got it, 2 more, 4 more, let's go, up the hill, run, come on, 5 more minutes, 3, 2, 1, and good. And boom, you just made $250. Why did I reenact? There's something on my lip. Why did I reenact that out like an idiot? Selling meals. If you a good cook and you know how to make chicken wings, sell them chicken wings. It's tailgating Sundays, okay? Sell your chicken wings. I said $25 a plate. Boom. And chicken wings is like $10 a bag or something like that, $14 a bag. A painter, if you have really good artwork, sell it. People love paintings. It's the ends for me. That's what's jacked up. It's the ends for me. Yeah, it's the ends for me. Yeah, that's better. Who check? Self-thrifted. I used to do this. So I used to go get jackets for $1.99 from the local thrift store, and I used to sell my online boutique when I couldn't afford inventory, and I was selling for like $45 a pop, and they were making a killing. Nails, if you can do nails, I'm about to go get mine done right after this video. I put $100 a pop. Babysitting, $40 an hour per baby kid, okay? Do that one. Walking, $40 an hour per dog. It's usually only an hour if you got 4 dogs. Boom. Why wouldn't you do it? Brows. Tame somebody's brows for $50. Lashes. People usually charge like $250 for lash extensions. Facials, do people's facials, $100. Cut hair, $30. Do tutoring, event coordinating, I said $200 an hour. Photography, $75 an hour. And it ain't nothing to learn to take some pictures and just use some good editing software. That's most photographers anyway nowadays. Online courses, I do that, okay? Do that. I know people who make $100,000, $300,000 a month selling courses, okay? Cleaning services, I put $100 a pop. I know someone who has a cleaning service, they charge $120. We pay a local young gal here for cleaning service at the ice cream shop, and we pay her like $125 every time she comes. Handyman services, I put $50 an hour. Mechanical work, $100 an hour. Private security, $25 an hour. We paid someone to wear a shirt that says security. He was security. Like, you can do that. Graphic designer, $50 a logo, or not, if not more, okay? Personal chef, $80 an hour. Video editing, $60 an hour. Sell flower seeds. Now listen, this young man, he passed away, may he rest his soul, rest in peace. His grandmother makes $10,000 a month selling flower seeds on eBay. I might have just dropped the game on y'all, but sells flower seeds on eBay and makes $10,000 a month. And all she does is take different flower seeds and she packs them in little bags and she sells them on eBay. I'm gonna have to try that when I get bored here. I need to try that one. But yeah, so then once you find your skills, you guys, just multiply that by how many times do you need to be doing this to make good money. So if your goal is to make $5,000 a month, okay, then maybe with doing cleaning services, maybe you charge $100 a pop. Maybe you need to do 5 houses a week, or 5 houses a day, 4 days a week, 5 houses a day, 5 days a week. Okay, so you determine your money. Plus, let's say you do cleaning, then you also want to do massages or facials or whatever. Pick 2 or 3 skills and maximize what you can maximize, and find a way to really make that work for you. If you have any more questions, you guys, this is just a quick video. If you have any more questions, grab my course, The Self-Employed Project, and I will teach you exactly how to break all this down and exactly how to become self-employed. Exactly how to become self-employed and do what I did to become do what I did to become self-employed, make your bread, okay, and grow your business. So some options for you. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you do what? Make sure you like, subscribe, make sure you tell your friends to tell their friends so we can be friends, and I will see you all in my next video. Go follow me on Instagram at Trishana. Go get that course too. You need it. It's $25. Peace.